Happy birthday!
It's allowed to blow candles.
Both of you, it's both of your birthday.
It's not my birthday.
No, it's
September. It's time to celebrate the party.
Her birthday is not today, but it's September.
Hello!
Oh, yung birthday, Laura!
Both of you!
Happy
birthday! Happy birthday!
Wish, pray! Pray, Laura! Wish!
Ano ba yung birthday ni Chay? Ang bongga, may patato.
Kompleto yung aking... Kompleto pa birthday ko.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Chay! Saan si Laura?
Ano tangin sa loob mo?
Mainit.
Tattoo. Mga tattoo na ganyan.
Oh, tato.
Diba doon tayo sa park? Wow, happy to you, Chay!
Laura! Why? No, remove it. I-give kay Lola. Thank you.
This is mine.
Butchay!
Amo!
That's okay! Recover! Pag hindi mo
Masama man.
iyak yun.
Kaya nga eh. Pinamugot lang na si Laura.
Kala nga namin may gagawin ko. Kasi may curve pa yan.
Si Laura na lang mag-isa nagdampot, oh.
Tapos dati, nilagyan ko ng semento. Nawala ang
Oh.
semento. Ito. Tingnan na wala. Ginawang grass. Ay, ko.
Oh, finish?
your turn.
Wow, iput here, be. Okay. Iput. I hold lang. Okay, wow, ang ganda.
Share the let's all share the credit. So we're gonna few batch, not one by one. I like that. That's fine. That's fine. No, that's fine. Okay, that's
Careful,
fine.
you have to put it back in.
Okay, we're gonna do a confetti. 1, 2.
Wait, no!
We're having a raffle at 3:30 p.m. So please stick around and let you know that 3:30 the ice cream run is leaving. So please do get your ice creams when you can.
Giriş de oturuyor kendinden.
What is that? Wow.
You should have won the money. I thought I should move out of the way. Yeah. Okay, come here. I just need over. I said, Nana, oh, why does somebody give it to me? Okay, come here. Go lie back like this. Ah! Wow! We got away! I'm gonna hit! Okay, let's just go. Get away. If it's needed, I need it. We got go. I need it.
Wow. Ayan na si Mama. Thank you. Wow. No, no more na. Yes. Oh.
Can you give me my balloon?
Okay.
Hey, you have one of phone! Where can I put my ice cream?
Wow.
For a while. You can do the coloring after you've had your ice cream.
Oh.
Girls, what do you have? And the back, you can color the back so you have to take stuff.
Nag-picnic yung dalawang
Shall I open
chikiting.
it?
Mine first. Just your flower.
Both.
Flower yours first.
Hmm.
It's your birthday. So that yours first. Flower.
It doesn't matter. I will open it. You can both have it. You can pick it. Alright?
Oh, those are a lot. Looks like a lot of stuff. Like Laura.
Ka!
Is this for me?
It's for Sherry. For me.
It's kind of water.
I don't want it. Maybe to your mom.
Let me see.
Let's color it. Ka!
Balloon! Balloon! Balloon!
Okay.
Ah!
Color it. Madam!
Just this.
Ayan si Mama niya.
Okay lang yun. You can color. The color is...
God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mm.
Take your time, okay? Don't rush.
Like this.
Okay, hold the ice cream because I cannot open it. Alright, there you are. And there's a sticker there, okay?
It's like this. Look it. So fun.
Wow! Mm.
Look at mine so far. Mine's so
Wow, that's cute.
Galing siya magkombinasyon.
I love the combination color. Fantastic. How to come up with green? Which color we need to mix? Ah, you cannot make it ready. You have to have the...
This can be my lunch.
Exactly. And you and it nobody else have the same because it's your imagination there. Wow! Oh my! It's the best artwork ever.
I like mine.
Whatever you want. Oh, don't write it down there.
What can I color this peach balloon?
You have to decide.
What color can I do this peach balloon?
I don't know.
Oh, I have an idea. Blue.
Blue, I think it's
Ah!
Sige, let's go.
Oh.
I'm so proud of you. Both of you.
Kailangan pag pinuri yung isa, dalawa talaga eh.
Ay, hindi siya washable.
Ang dami ka test kung ganap.
I like this. Ang dami, no? Kaya, alam mo, ito, dami nila back to school. Mommy, I think I want to go for shopping. Should we go for Tesco? Ang big mall nito, Tesco. Mama, outside.
Ang ganda naman ng banding nito. Ayan o. Oh, maganda yung ano nila.
Meron pa yung paano.
Ba't to?
Bag nga, may finger bag.
Oh, no.
Meron pang ganun, no?
Ang ganda.
Ano ba sila? Ay, di pa rin na.
Parehas.
Ah, yung ano.
Level naman yung aking ito eh.
Iba naman yung ano niya eh.
Ito malinis to abstract.
Ano pa yung ginagawa niya? Oo.
Candy muna, candy.
Ganda.
Joke lang. Kasapakin sa kiss.
Sabi ko asa kaya si Aiza na.
Asian na Asian talaga. O, kala nyo dyan ah.
Oo, kita mo. Ayan ning ho. Ginaano na naro pag drawing niya. Tango.
Pero mahilig
May padapa pa.
ito sa art.
Mahilig pero iba yung art niya.
Oo, iba.
Iba-iba naman.
Hindi siya abstract yung abstract. Ito maayos. Ito abstract.
Wait, what about it? Pag mga in case of emergency. Mommy, where's my stickers? What if you don't want to see the face? If you don't want to see the face, you can just fold it like this. Where's my sticker?
It's very cool. It's very cool.
Enjoy!
Baka magbabalik ka na lagay ng party.
Ang galing niya. Alam niya yun? I think so. How did you know that?
How do you know?
What? I just
Doon.
no.
Ano? Wow.
Are you tired?
Drink cup.
Tired.
Dalawa pala
Not
kami.
her, yours.
Dalawa pala kami na. Dalawa pala kami ng anak ko.
Daddy, I need some socks. I need a blanket to cover my feet up.
Ang dami.
Okay, let's play the floor is lava. Langit lupa ga. Kala
The
niyo
blocks
langit
are not
lupa.
lava.
This is the one that will save you, okay?
Mama, it's too
The
cold.
floor is lava. You have to use your brain. You have to jump.
Yung ano mo sasakyan mo.
The floor is lava. Let's go. You.
Hip, hip, jump.
There's lava there. It's not yet now. It's not yet. I don't even need it.
Hip.
Can you give me a pillow, please?
Okay.
Grounding. Okay, steady.
No, 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 no. Try that again. Again.
Kasama ko sa trust pag umano ka na.
Naiintindihan, pero actually kahit yung financial manager namin, kasi sila yung nag-aasikaso, meron pa silang sinasabing ano,
Hindi. Delikado.
delikado.
Salita na sibot sa'yo ng delikado.
Kada.
Delikado.
Narinig mo, wala na yung art.
Yay, I'm angry.
And when you are pupuing, you look like this. Daddy pig, you look like this. Piggy piggy. And Chichay look like this, which is dangerous dragon.
Oh no.
And what do I look like
When you are not drinking milk, not eating, you look like this.
Oh.
That's why
So what if I
when you are what's that? Making drama, you look like this.
Patrol. Lapa.
Wow. Di bibi lalaman yun sa'yo. Wow.
Oh, then everybody will try together. Open
You
together.
open your card both, okay?
Open together.
Happy birthday.
Hindi pa kayo nag-videohan ni mami nyo.
Oh, ayan.
Laging on the roller.
Open my card.
Okay, you receive. Yeah.
Ay! Sila.
What else?
Oh, pen.
Oh, wait.
pen. Oh,
Wait.
pen.
Ito naman. Okay.
Why does she have
Oh,
Sabi ko, hinaluat na lahat.
nalungkat lahat. Baka may natira pa eh.
Happy birthday.
Wait for her.
Happy birthday to
Ay, ano yung padded yan? Padding yan.
Ay, si Butsay.
Si Butchay.
Uy,
Cinema roll.
look, open your card. Open your card first.
Happy birthday, Bakabush. Ano yan,
Happy
Baka?
birthday,
Wait,
Bakabush.
Baka.
Wow.
Cinema roll.
Whoa, who is it?
Oh.
Come and join to
Birthday
my
na ba
birthday party, Cinema Roll. What is this?
Wow.
Laura, we love you. Happy 6th birthday, love.
Can you
Not
read
my
it?
birthday.
It's your birth
September
month.
day.
Your birth month. Pa-explain nga to. Masaktan ko to.
Kasi nga, hindi pa nga kasi birthday.
I
Pinili ko
wanna
nga.
open this
Nasasyak ang anak ko. Ba't ka rin
Laura,
gumawa ng
saktan kita.
candle?
Makisama ka na lang.
Candle. Hindi pa nga
September
birthday.
na eh. Kami, nung nakasanayan namin, pag birth month na, birthday na namin.
Birthday na lahat.
Oo.
Dahil birne eh. Kung halimbawa, isang buwan.
Ito na naman to. Wait ka lang. Pre, kambal yan eh.
Kambal eh.
Baka may gera ba pag wala?
Wow.
Laura.
Oh.
Yeah?
He will introduce you to Laura. Because she haven't met it yet.
Yeah. Diba you ask a cinema, Papa Jesus, give
Anong
me
color
cinema?
nila? Favorite color
Oh.
nila yan.
Blue
Laura.
and
I love
white.
my color blue.
I know.
Yes.
So
Wow.
lucky.
Oh, you say thank you.
So much blue.
I know. Give din ang janala
Oy.
sa bahag. Ito
Oh, kiss na.
One good thing.
Kera tayo.
Hep, kiss na, dali.
Ba't parang naiiyak? Hindi mo ako naiiyak,
Kiss
natasa
kayo,
ako.
mami.
Shy time, shy time.
Oh, kay Tito Randy, you see? You hug, dali.
Because this will be on your,
Okay.
ano.
Ayan, gusto mo ito.
At get yung mga souvenirs niya.
Hindi mo inayos ka.
Yung, di ba kulang pa. Ito yung mga giveaways niya sa school.
Ayun yan, masyado namang bongga.
Oo. Tsaka ito.
For everybody.
Yeah.
Laura, have this.
Kaya sabi ko, talo ko.
Can you open, mommy?
Wow.
Use it for your bird, for your juice, for
Yeah.
your
Help me to get the pencil.
Oh,
Pink one! Kailangan haba.
siyempre mga teenager na eh.
Ano kasi sa kilo, ga? Ga. Si Chris. Ang haba ng dulo. The pink one! Lara, I'll show you how to wear it.
Basta ka-perks mo.
Mga Pilipino ba yan? Iba halo-halo?
Alam mo, may Chinese, may Singaporean, may Taiwanese, may
Iba-iba.
German, may Swiss, may ano.
Friendly.
Doon ka nga makipiesta.
Kasi gusto kong pipin para si nanay magluluto ng
Oo nga, di
Oh, magluluto akong bilo-bilo.
Bilo-bilo gusto mo?
Totoo.
Sabi sa'yo kung gusto
Totoo.
mo, bilo-bilo ka niya.
Lulutuan kita. Masaya ako pag nagluluto ako.
Parang birthday mo naman yung pinag-ahanda mo. Hindi.
Actually, birthday talaga niya yun.
Hindi yung birthday ng...
Oo. Happy ako pag nagaluto.
What's the balloon?
Inom lang ako isang beses na.
Tugtog pa.
Ay, oo. Yung gina-open ay nagatugtog.
Wala
Maganda.
na,
Ay, wala
Rose.
na.
Mayroon man, napakamahal.
Ah.
No Kuromi.
Yeah, it's
Wag
set.
na.
Look at that. You have to give a name.
I have a Kuromi book.
Ano yung Kuromi?
Oh yeah, yung notebook niya. Ito na naman. Gamanood ka.
Ako na naman. Ano yun?
Yung nagpunta tayo sa Folkestone, di ba yung nagdo-drawing siya? Kuromi book yun. Sabi ko, ay sa Sabi niya, oo, binigay yan.
Wala
Yung
naman ako.
sketchpad
Wala
niya.
naman ako sa sarili ko. Kuromi book.
Ito ipakain mo kay tatay ha.
Oo, sabihin ko ito na lang pinadala sa'yo kasi hindi ka pumunta.
Isa.
Alam mo lahat ng card niya?
Pau-pau.
Oo, kay Pau Pau.
Binigay niya lahat kay Chewy.
What's your name?
Chay-chay.
Sa'yo.
Kay Laura.
Ano kolekta naman talaga daw?
Laura's neighbor.
Wow, Laura's neighbor, meron pa.
Friend.
May isa pala akong nawawala, yung 2 years old.
Ano yung tali niya?
May tali ba
Kasi
yan?
mawawala yan. Lagyan mo yung tali.
Lalagyan ko na lang.
Kasi baka mawala yung pen.
Piso
Diba?
lang to.
Piso lang sa...
Sa Timo.
Yours is smaller than mine.
Medyo, 8 days. 5. You're gonna give that away, give away for your school as well.
And then when your toys that you're not using, you have to donate it to the charity people. So you're...
Anong sinasabi mo?
Sabi mo, magdodonate mo. Hindi ka lang magdodonate ka ng gamit. Magdodonate ka lang. So yung birthday niya, i-donate mo na lahat
Ay,
ka.
yung mga ano.
Mga luma.
Oh, ayan ha. Meron ka na like,
This
ano,
is very nice.
Laura ha?
I love it.
What is this for?
It's a special...
It's an ale bag. I like it. It's squishy. Is that mine?
Yes, that's yours. Don't
What's
chichi.
this for?
It's
For the
air.
pencil case.
It's very
6 years old na birthday ni Laura, Agni,
They're both
Buchay,
drawing.
September.
I know how to draw Sima roll.
Sinasabi, ayaw niya na daw mag-alahas kasi ang bigat.
Yan talaga mga Pilipino.
Oo, nabibigatan.
Ang party.
Ay, tinago, dinawala.
Maganda pa, parang mukbang.